Hey Fig Fam, have you ever wondered if you don't have enough space to grow fruit trees? Well, with fig trees, you can grow them in spaces as small as a 15-gallon container. So I have here a 4-year-old tree called Ponte Tresa, and it's from the Lakes region of Switzerland, and it produces figs every year. And I keep it in a 10 to 15-gallon pot right on my patio. And every year it delivers ripe, delicious figs that I can pick right from this tree. So if you're worried you don't have enough space to grow fruit trees, you're in luck because fig trees can spend their entire lives in containers and produce abundant amount of fruit for you. Just look here. It has beautiful green skin. And if I take a bite, it has a deep wine red pulp that's rich with flavors of strawberry and honey. This is why I grow figs, sweet, delicious figs, right on my patio. I have 20 to 30 in-ground fig trees, as well as a collection of other fruit trees. But I still grow figs in containers because they look beautiful in any green space and patio space, and they produce an abundant amount of fruit. So I wanted to share that with you guys in case you've ever considered growing fruit trees, but you were concerned about your limited space. I've grown fig trees on patios, balconies, and other small gardening spaces. I wanted to share that with you guys because you can. Cheers, Fig Fam.